TJ in town. Hi, I'm Ray. Mobe now on the music map, thanks to toasters like TJ. But is he really changing his tune, or is that just up top talk?
Tryna go round the thing, tryna go round the thing, cause you will pay for learn you. Up top.
Hardcore Mobe DJ signs with Kingston-based production company. But does that mean toning down his sometimes violent lyrics? TJ riding a wave of chart success generated by a number of acts hailing from Western Jamaica and now seeking to widen his reach. His current top 10 hit, a dance number, but with a clean edit for radio play. The so-called up-top boss spending more time in town as he tries to fit into the Ramesh Entertainment camp that also includes Ding Dong and Shenseea.
Moving to Ramesh is like my thing. It did already out there already, but the structuring, it was just never right. So me never used to get corporate show and them little thing there, and right now you can see TJ upon few little corporate show. International wise, my thing kinda take off. Basically right now, me not too hardcore. Yeah, me and the girls them type of man right now, you know. Remember I'm a liberal and I don't tell you, me have a scale where I balance the thing. So last year that was the hardcore TJ where it was busted. Now it's up top braff.
So you can say that TJ is kind of going mainstream then?
Yeah, international. Yeah, because from small, that's the only thing I pray. I just feel like more in a box. I always feel like more on the out the box.
Global, the goal, but only names like Sean Paul actually racking up the numbers that others dream of. They're not finding new markets. They're not going where Sean Paul is going. They're not, you know, Sean Paul is riding this reggaeton wave now, which has given him access to a huge audience.
Yeah,
and who is doing that locally?
Probably the pretty looks from man and they do that for Sean Paul. Yeah, probably at that. Or probably who did manage him or market him at the time, as me say.
I think it takes more than pretty looks to reach the levels of audience that Sean Paul reaches though.
Yeah, alright. But sometimes I feel like I chat too much to you know. Cause watch ya, really and truly, in our time, you put Popcorn on a stage show, you put Movado on a stage show. Alright, past that. You put TJ and Governor and Tommy Lee them on a stage show right now. What Sean Paul got do? What Sean Paul got do? Tell the truth. Many a time we see it. So it's just that music change right now. I just the marketing me feel like most of the time. So me just dropping a steady team right now, me just put in some work. Probably 2 years from now or 3 years from now when me and you hold this conversation again, you will say to me that TJ, I'm very proud because I see you top the barriers. I see you almost reach where Sean Paul them put music, because of history we can't take that. Sean Paul them do it. But it's a different time now.
But he's still doing it is what I'm saying.
Yeah, he's still doing it and he can't stop doing it. That's his job.
Going beyond the call of duty, having the right attitude, do all of these things also matter?
Yeah, that have a lot of things to do with it, because we as artists, we have to grow, we have to know when to throw away some kids act, we have to know when to bear our own responsibility. So that's really true what you just said a while ago. Attitude means a lot. Professionalism means a lot. So at stages we have to grow. Sean Paul never just get up and just reach there. He did grow. Because Rome never built in a one day. We are built it too.
Bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down. What that you love?
Jamaica know we. I feel like the world fi know we now. I go change over it. I can't be this person who walk up and down with 400 man back at me. I can't do that again. Certain place I can't go and take out weed and a smoke and all of them little things that we have to know we carry ourselves now and them little things that we have to change the thing now. It's not even TJ anymore. When people see me, them say up top boss, and I have to look up to that. So the happy song right now, it had the whole heap for me, I swear.
Dancehall noted for its high turnover of toasters, many flicker and fade.
I listen to a whole heap of artists, and when my company scene, I don't hear about them. It's like you self-claim too much and you still not remember say you have whole heap ahead of you, we have goals. We not reach nowhere yet, Mr. Miller. 1 million views and nothing. Remember, Movado them can do it, boy. Yeah. Vybz Kartel them can do it. And a whole heap artists when I look up to as youth come do it, boy. Yeah. So I always tell myself, say, more come do it better too. From me put in the work, it have to pay off and you have to put in it smart too. You can't just get up and say, oh, me have the big song, boy, yeah, man, and me are the giant, boy. Yeah. No, we not reach nowhere yet. All now, I not see no Benz truck park up on them little thing there. For when I come out of my house, I can say, wow, and me do that. I not see the mansion up on the hill yet when I can come out and say, wow, me I turn up from me look my next house and I look over upon my next house. So, them time then I can feel like, say, yo, me reach and I can tell you, say, yo, me not reach yet. I just thank God for what happened now. Because last year it did worse. You have some bad youth artists from Mobile. You have a youth named Squash right now. I have some nice songs. I like them to see them.
Why do you think Mobe has the energy right now?
Well, at just the time, we can't grow on that. It's history. A lot of people get theirs. Every man of them 5 minutes of fame. So it's just Mobile 5 minutes now. So we have to just make use of it and make good use of it. And just make a lot of air while the sun shines.
Is there something about the Mobe sound that's essentially different from what comes out of the rest of Jamaica?
No, I would say it's the anger. It's the anger. We grow up and see some different things because we don't have nobody to tell we say, don't do that and don't do that. So the type of music where we want to listen to, it come like you have to just hardcore. But when you really come out of Mobe, you really see say, oh, it's like, I just write here so them thing are hardcore. We have to upgrade, we have to graduate. We have to sing some other different music for the uptown type of people them. So we have to balance it because a hunger, as me say, a Jordan studio with them now, I jump in fence already if you come vice. Ask him. I jump the fence literally if you come vice. A Jordan, a TJ, more vice, more a link. And I write here some there right now because of the hunger where I'm say. Been around a lot of people since me come a Kingston since me decide say alright, I go graduate now. I go left out of the jungle and go out there because a king never get a crown in his own town. So me decide say I go do that, I go step out of the jungle and do some little things.
Timing's about right. Mobe now on the map, but Kingston still where it's at. As for changing his tune,
a lot of time I sing say me are hungry and nothing and go on and me never see reach 500,000 views. And then come back and say, we busted hard. And then when me look, me see Ghana 2 million views and all of them little things. So it really works sometimes. It works for me. Because them tell me say my song now go past airport and the first time I got England to perform, they say TJ live with his hit single, Busted, Up Top. So it works, it really works. We have to just know when to change. We have to just know when to do a new thing now.
and you think it's right now?
Yeah, it's right now.
Yeah, we just a